Hey, babies. Hello, puppies. Hello, puppies. Beautiful puppies. Oh, beautiful, beautiful. Beautiful puppies. Nay. Oh. 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 Hey, beauty. Come on. Beautiful. Come on, babies. Kalimera, good morning. Kalimera, good morning. Now I am feeding the puppies. The beautiful puppies. Beautiful puppies. It was raining all night last night. It was raining all night. And now it's still cloudy, but it's not raining anymore. Cloudy. It's a breakfast time for the puppies. Breakfast time for the puppies. Go to it. Go to it. And breakfast time for Faith also and her puppies. Come on, babies. Come on, babies. Come on, babies. Okay. So this is the puppies of Faith. Hey, beautiful. Ew. Faith, look at Faith, how happy she is. Faith is extremely happy. Faith, hey baby. And look at those beautiful puppies here. If you want to adopt any of them, send us a message, please. Hey, why you're complaining? They want to be with human. Ella, Gatumel, Ella. They want to be with human. I hope we can find homes for all the puppies, and not only the puppies, of course, and for Faith, and so many dogs here, they need a home. Okay, so it's a food time for the puppies. They are so beautiful. If you want to adopt any of them, send us a message, please. Hey, and Faith is so happy. Look how happy she is. You know what? This puppy who is crying on the other side is crying because she wants to be with me. And the other one also. The other 5, come on, babies. When I give them my hand, they are more relaxing. Okay, I will go there so they will not cry. I will go to their... I will explain to you what happens now here. So you see now they don't... Now they are happy because I'm with them. I think that both of them, they was in a home before. They was in a home and they abandoned them. That's why when they see me, they do like that. They want to be with human. They are so beautiful. So if you want to adopt any of them, please send us a message. Hey, baby. Hey, you beautiful girl. You beautiful. You are so beautiful. She's a strong girl. She's amazing. She's amazing. She's amazing. And all of them are amazing. All of them. Hey, babies. All of you are amazing. All of you are beautiful. All of you. Okay, now I have to go because we have a lot of work like every day. Bye-bye for now. I will update you later with more videos, or I can go live again. I don't know what will happen. So bye-bye for now. Bye-bye. Yasas. Bye-bye from the puppies. Hey, be nice. Be nice. Be nice. Be nice. Don't be jealous. Hey. Don't be jealous. Bye-bye. Yasas. Be nice.